My name's Jeff with Tag Roofing and Restoration. We're at the Bull Residence at 4725 Tillsman Court in Blue Ash. We're going to do, insurance is paid for this one. We're going to do a test, repairability test on this one. In order to get this one out, I've marked with chalk. We have to loosen these and loosen these, but I don't want to do that because I don't want to cause any additional damage. So I'm just going to loosen this one. Okay. So in order to do this, we'd have to lift this 3 times. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. And you can see right along here that it's creasing right along there. So these are not repairable.